The next dimension that we're going to look at is uncertainty avoidance. Uncertainty avoidance deals with a society's tolerance for ambiguity and indicates the extent to which the members within a culture feel comfortable in unstructured situations. So countries can fall anywhere on the spectrum from low uncertainty avoidance to high uncertainty avoidance. If a culture is more low uncertainty avoidance, that means that they don't avoid uncertainty. I know there's a bit of a double negative there, but low uncertainty avoidance cultures are okay with uncertainty. Uncertainty is accepted and each day is just taken as it comes. Within low uncertainty avoidance cultures, there is a tolerance for deviant persons and ideas because these individuals who go against the grain might provide us with new and exciting ways to change our society. In addition, in low uncertainty avoidance cultures, people tend to be comfortable with ambiguity and chaos. As an example, teachers within low uncertainty avoidance cultures say, "I don't know," and they may say it often if they truly don't know the answer to something. Additionally, for individuals within low uncertainty avoidance cultures, changing jobs is no problem. If you are unhappy in your job, you can just go get a new one. There's not as much of a reticence to change your position in life. Whereas in high uncertainty avoidance cultures, they are very much trying to avoid uncertainty, right? There is a high avoidance there. So within high uncertainty avoidance cultures, uncertainty must be fought, and it's a continuous thought, right? They're always thinking about this uncertainty and trying to fight against it. Additionally, there is a high intolerance for deviant persons and ideas because these people who go against the grain can be dangerous to our society. Individuals who come from high uncertainty avoidance cultures really crave clarity and structure. And teachers within high uncertainty avoidance cultures are expected to have all of the answers. They are much more reticent to say, "I don't know." And finally, people tend to stay in their jobs in high uncertainty avoidance cultures, even if they really dislike their jobs. They just can't handle the uncertainty of potentially being unemployed and not knowing what will come next for them. So cultures that tend to be higher in uncertainty avoidance include East and Central European countries, Latin countries, German-speaking countries, and in Japan. And countries that tend to be lower in uncertainty avoidance include English-speaking countries, Nordic countries, and Chinese culture countries. So as you can see, uncertainty avoidance, we're dealing with the level of tolerance for ambiguity, and cultures can fall anywhere from low uncertainty avoidance, meaning that uncertainty is accepted, to high uncertainty avoidance, where uncertainty must be fought at all costs.